Welcome to all. Today I am going to start part 2 of chapter number 6, and the chapter name is fraction. In the previous video we have seen addition. In this one we will see subtracting unlike fraction. See, the first one is subtracting proper fraction. Proper fraction means 1. Numerator is less than denominator. It means denominator is more. See the example here, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. They both are having proper fraction. So in this one, see, this denominator are different. So what we can do it here, first we can make it same denominator. How we can take same denominator? By finding the LCM. Okay, so in this one, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, 2 and 3 is 6. It means 1 by 2 we convert as 6 means multiply by 3. So 1 3 is a 3 and 2 is a 6. In next one, 1 upon 3. Again we want denominator 6. So what we can do it here? Here we will multiply by 2. And here also multiply by 2. So we get 2 by 6. So after that we have to do subtraction. So 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6 we get 1 by 6. Like this we have to find. One more thing here, in this one we can find the LCM, and that LCM we can convert like this, and then we can do subtraction and reduce to the lowest term. Now see the exercise 6F. This is solve. In this one, how to solve? Same thing we can do it here. First we can find the LCM of 3 and 6. That will come 6. Just now that LCM method I told how to find the LCM there. Now 1 by 2. We want 6 here. It means we know that this 2 multiplied by 3 we get 6. So here we multiply by 3. It means same multiply by 3 in numerator also. So 1 into 3 is 3. Next, for 1 by 3, we know that in this 3, 6 will come 2 times. So multiply by 2, the same number will go to denominator. So here will come 2 by 6. 1 by 2, we will write 3 by 6, and 1 by 3, we will write 2 by 6. So 3 in this one, we are having same denominator. Then only we can find addition as well as subtraction. So here answer will come 1 by 6. In this one, same thing we can do it here. 4 and 2, LCM will come 4. And same thing we can do it here. This 4 table, 4 will come 1 time. This 2 table, 4 will come 2 times. After that, this 3 by 4, we will write 3 by 4 as it is. And this 1 by 2, we will write 2 by 4. Okay. And here we take the LCM of 11 and 10. So that will come 1, 10. So in this one, at least 3 to 4 question, do it yourself. Next is subtracting mixed number. It means here we can get this whole number as well as proper fraction. It is a combination of proper fraction and whole number, that is known as mixed number. So here the same thing we can do it here. This mixed number we can convert in improper fraction first. Okay, see this 2 by 3 we have written as 8 by 3. How? This 2 3s are 6 plus 2 is 8, and here this 1 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1, it means 5 by 4. Then we can solve with the help of taking LCM. Same here, 7 minus 1, 3 by 6. 7 we can write as it is 7, or here if you have problem you can put here denominator 1. Okay, then 6 ones are 6, 7 8 9. So this 1 3 by 6 we can write as 9 by 6. After that, see, the number is 7 upon 1 and minus 9 upon 6. Okay. So here LCM will come 6 because 1 and 6 means 6 only. So LCM will come 6. Now we know that in one table the 6 will come how many times? 6 times only. And the 6 table 6 will come one time only. So 7 6 are 42 and 9 ones are 9. Like this we have to solve. After that 42 minus 9 is 33 upon 6. 6 remains same. So this 33 upon 6 we can write as 11 by 2. Why? Here 3 is the common number. So 33 upon 6 divided by 3. So we get 11 by 2, and 11 by 2 as mixed fraction we will write as 5 1 by 2. Exercise 6G. So this is the problem of mixed fractions. Same thing we can do it here. See, when we are having same denominator, so easily we can find. So this 3 minus 1 is 2 and this 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6 because we are having same denominator. So in this one we don't have to find LCM. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this 3 and 1 are the whole number. This 3 and 1 are the whole number. So whole number we can do together and the fraction one we can do it together. 3 minus 2 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is 2 by 6, and this 2 by 6 we can write as 1 by 3. Why? This 2 by 6 we can divide it by 2 by 2. Same here, 7 and 2 are the whole number and these two are the fractions. So fraction we will write together. In this one we are having same denominator, so we can write together. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Same here, in this one no number is there whole number, so we can write 9 as it is same. See in this question, so first we have to convert in the mixed fraction and take the LCM. LCM will come 10. So we know that 2 table 10 will come 5 times. So 9 multiplied by 5 we get 45, and 5 10 will come 2 times. So 13 into 2 is 26. So 45 minus 26 is 19 by 10, and 19 we can write as 1 9 by 10. Clear? So here some more questions I have solved here. You can go through once. This is the third one, that is multiplication of fractions by whole number. Okay. So in this one multiplication we can see same thing. In this addition and subtraction we can find the LCM, but in multiplication and division we cannot find LCM. It means the LCM is not required only in multiplication and division. See, so in the second question we can see 8 into 3 by 4. So multiplication means multiplication we can find it here. So this numerator we can multiply with numerator. 8 into 3 is 24, and if there is no number in the denominator we can write as 1. So 1 into 4 is 4, and we know that 24 upon 4 means 6. Why? This both number will go by 4 table. Then any number multiply with 0 we get answer 0. Any number multiply by 1 we get the number itself. This already we have learned this rule, and the of means multiply only. So these are the examples. So we can solve now exercise 6H. In this one, multiply. Give the answers in the lowest term. Lowest term means we can cancel if the prime number will come. So that is your answer. See in this one, 7 into 1 by 2. It means 7 ones are 7 and there is no number. It means 2 ones are 2. So here this 7 by 2 we can write as 3 1 by 2. Question, 8 into 4 by 5. Okay. So in this one, 8 into 4 by 5. So 8 fours are 32 and there is no number in the denominator. So we can write 5 into 1 is 5. So now in this one, when we do mixed fraction, when we are having improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. That is known as improper fraction. So 32, how will write? 6 2 by 5. Of means multiplication, just now I told. See, 1 upon 20 into 20. So 20 into 1 is 20 upon 20 means 1, because same number divided with same number we get answer 1. Any number multiply with 0, answer you will get 0 only. Clear? Next is 18 of means multiply 2 by 3. So 18 to the 36 divided by 3, we get 12 answer. See, 0 multiplied by any number, we get 0 only. So like this, you can see remaining questions. Next topic is multiplying fractions by fractions. Okay, multiplying fractions by fractions. Earlier it was whole number by fractions. Whole number means only one number. See, to multiply a fraction by a fraction means 1 by 4 multiply by 4 by 5. In this one, if we are having same number, we can cancel also, but cancellation will be the cross cancellation. Okay, so it can be numerator and denominator. It cannot be cancelled by up to up and down to down. That is wrong. So here in this one, the simple way you can do it, or see, so in this one we can multiply also. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. 4 upon 20 equals to 1 by 5. Here one shortcut method is also there. Shortcut method means by the cancellations. How to do cancellations? If we know any table can go in the other number, so we can cancel it. So like this we can solve also, and this one method also we can use it. So any method you can solve either by the multiplication or by the cancellation one. See, exercise 6I. In this one, multiply 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So here numerator can multiply with numerator only. So 1 3s are 3 and 2 4s are 8. See here, 2 4s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. So like this we have done it here. So this also, this one, this improper fraction will convert in mixed fractions. Okay. So now third question is multiplying simply before the last step. Okay, see, 5 into 7 is 35 and 12 into 10 is 120. So here we can do this also. See, this 5 upon 12 into 7 upon 10. We know that this 5 table 10 will come 2 times. So here 1 7s are 7 and 12 2s are 24. See, same answer we get. Okay. So now in this one, 1 by 6 into 9 by 4. See, 1 by 6 into 9 by 4. We know that in 3 table 6 will come and 9 also. So how many times? 6 will cancel by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So here will come 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 4 is 8. Same answer we get. So either by cancellation or by the multiplications we can solve it. Last topic of this chapter, that is reciprocal. Reciprocal means that this will come under division. See, two numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocal. How the reciprocal will come? This 2 multiply by 1 by 2. So reciprocal will come. And in other word, we can say that multiplicative inverse. Clear? So like this is known as reciprocal. Okay. In this one, this 3 by 4 and 4 by 3 are reciprocal. Yes. Why? We get the answer 1. Then also we can say that reciprocal. This 5 and 1 by 5 is reciprocal. How? This 5 and 1 by 5. So 5 and 5 is cancelled. Remaining answer is 1. So yes, it is reciprocal. So like this, all the questions are there. Reciprocal means that numerator will come in denominator and denominator will go to the numerator only. That is known as reciprocal. Okay. Now the next topic is dividing a whole number by a fractions. Earlier we have discussed multiplying a whole number by a fractions. Here dividing. So in this one, this example is given here. How many 3 by 4 pizzas in 3 pieces? So what we can do here? First we can draw 3 pizzas. After that, so in this one, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means this pizza can cut in 4 part. Why? Because denominator we are having 4. So 3 by 4 part is this one. So how much part is remaining? 1 by 4. That is known as whole number by a fraction. So here one more question is given here. 3 divided by 3 by 4. So when you get the divide sign, it means that divide will convert in multiplication and this number will be reciprocal it. So that will be 4 by 3. So now this 3 multiply by 4 by 3. So we know that this 3 and 3 is cancelled. We get the answer 4. So like this we have to solve. After that we start exercise 6J. In this one, divide. How to do divide? See, 6 upon 7 divided by 3. So this 3 divide sign will convert in multiplication. This number will be reciprocal. It means after that whatever number will come, that number only reciprocal is. So this 3 written in the numerator, it will come in denominator. So 6 ones are 6 and 7 threes are 21. So we can cancel also this one. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. So 2 ones are 2 and 7 ones are 7. So like this all the questions you can solve it. Second question means 3 divided by 1 by 5. So now here reciprocal will be 5 by 1. So 3 5s are 15. Next is 7 divided by 1 by 3. 3 will go to one place and 1 will go to 3 place. 7 3s are 21. So like this we have to do all the questions. Divide 1 by 2 divided by 7 by 12. So in this one, this 7 upon 12 will be reciprocal. So now it will be 12 upon 7. So we know that this 2 table 6 will come in 12. So now 6 ones are 6 and 7 ones are 7. See one more question here. 5 upon 9. This divide will convert in multiplication. Number will be reciprocal. That will be 3 upon 2. So now 5 3s are 15 and 9 2s are 18. Or if you want, you can cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So rest questions like this you can solve. Next, solve using multiplication or division. So we can read the question first. As question, we can use addition, we can use multiplication or division. A painter uses 2 by 3 of a can of paint to cover one wall of a house. How many can of paint he need to cover? 7 balls. So now in ball he needed 3 by 5 can. So now for 7 ball he needed 3 upon 5 into 7. Why it is multiplication? Because one ball, and if it is more than one, it means we will do multiply only. So 7 3s are 21 upon 4 and 21 we can write as 4 1 by 5. Nandita used 1 by 4 of a sheet of clear plastic to cover her book. How many sheet would she need to cover 12 books? It means one book she used 1 by 4. So now 12 book, how many? Again the same thing. If we find more than 1, we can do it multiplication. So that will be 12 upon 4 means 3 sheet. Next, 3 children are sharing 2 by 3 of a pizza. What fractions of pizza will each children get? Now we have to find each. Each means divide. So now pizza being shared between 3 children, that is 2 by 3. So now each children will get how many? We can do it divide. So 2 upon 3 divided by 3. So this divide will convert in multiplication. Number will be reciprocal it. So now it will be 1 by 3. So 2 ones are 2 and 3 threes are 9. So 2 by 3, it means 2 by 9 will get each children. See recap. In this one, the first topic which we have learned, that is subtracting unlike fraction, then subtracting mixed number, then multiplication of fractions by whole number, then multiplying fraction by fraction, reciprocal, and the last is division of fraction.